Mini tools are compact, versatile, and incredibly handy for everyday tasks. Whether you're fixing something at home, working on a DIY project, or need a quick solution on the go, these small but powerful tools can make a big difference. From multi-tools and pocket screwdrivers to portable wrenches and precision kits, here are mini tools that everyone should have for convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind in any situation. RYOBI Inflator. The RYOBI Inflator, priced at $33.65, tool only, is a compact cordless tool ideal for inflating tires, air mattresses, and sports balls. It features dual functionality, high pressure inflation up to 160 psi and high volume inflation for larger items. A digital pressure gauge ensures accuracy, while some models include automatic shutoff and deflation capability. Onboard storage for nozzles, a 20-inch hose, and an ergonomic grip enhance usability. Powered by the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ battery system, it's portable, versatile, and perfect for garage, roadside, or recreational use. LED light and carry handle included in select models. Tap Buddy. The Tap Buddy, priced at US $34.99, is a game-changing tool for drilling and tapping tasks. Just dip your bit into the container, filled with your preferred cutting fluid, and it instantly cools, lubricates, and clears chips, all in one step. This reduces mess, extends tool life, and boosts efficiency in any workspace. Whether you're a professional or weekend DIYer, Tap Buddy simplifies the job. Designed by Tap Buddy Tools is just the beginning. More innovative and fun tools are on the way. Stay tuned for exciting new releases that make work easier and more enjoyable. TITE-REACH Extension Clamp. The TITE-REACH Extension Clamp, priced at $24.95, is a handy tool designed to grip nuts, bolts, and hose clamps in hard-to-reach areas. Featuring a vice-like mechanism with adjustable knurled jaws, it offers a firm, secure hold without needing constant hand pressure. Made of durable steel with a rust-resistant powder coat finish, it's built for longevity. Available in multiple lengths: 7.5 inches, 10.5 inches, 14.5 inches. It's perfect for automotive, aviation, and mechanical tasks. Whether you're dealing with tight engine compartments or awkward tool access points, this clamp saves time and effort by extending your reach with precision. SKIL Lantern. The SKIL Collapsible Lantern, model LH0300D, is a compact dual-power lighting solution that runs on SKIL 12V or 20V batteries, delivering up to 300 lumens of 360-degree light. It features both high and low brightness modes and can run up to 9 hours on high with a 20-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery. Its collapsible design makes it easy to carry and store, while a USB-C output port allows for charging devices. A retractable hook enables versatile hanging, and the durable construction includes a silicone diffuser and sturdy metal hook for rugged use. MILWAUKEE Impact Wrench. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Impact Wrench is a powerhouse tool designed for serious performance, durability, and control. Equipped with a power state brushless motor, it delivers exceptional torque for heavy-duty tasks like loosening stubborn bolts. Features like 4-mode drive control, bolt removal mode, and RedLink Plus intelligence ensure optimal operation and tool protection. Ergonomic design includes a friction ring anvil for quick socket swaps and a rubber overmold for comfort. With one key technology, users can customize settings, track, and secure tools. Compatible with M18 red lithium batteries, it's a top choice for professionals. Dremel Blueprint Multi-Drill. The Dremel Blueprint Multi-Drill is your all-in-one solution for smarter, faster DIY. Priced at $99, it features brushless performance, an integrated stud finder, and a removable laser level for unmatched precision. Whether you're hanging TVs, updating cabinets, or installing gallery walls, this tool makes every task effortless. Designed for tight spaces and tough jobs, it's perfect for home improvement enthusiasts. See it in action and shop now at Amazon, Lowe's, the Home Depot, or directly from Dremel. Start DIYing differently with the versatile, powerful Dremel Multi-Drill DD12VS1, your new project partner. Hilti DX2. The Hilti DX2 is a reliable powder-actuated fastening tool priced at $389, designed for securing materials like drywall track and sill plates to concrete or steel. It features a compact design for tight spaces, uses 0.27 caliber 10-round strip fasteners, and supports nails up to 62 mm, 72 mm for wood to concrete. The DX2 offers consistent energy output, easy maintenance, and durable all-aluminum construction. Ideal for both general and specialized fastening tasks, it comes as part of a kit with cartridges and cleaning tools, making it a versatile choice for professionals on the job site. Titaner Tiroler 2.0. The Titaner Tiroler 2.0 is a compact coin-sized curve measuring tool made from aerospace-grade titanium and priced at $59. Designed for precision and portability, it features a dual ring system with an internal rolling mechanism, ideal for measuring curved surfaces. It comes in both metric 10 cm and imperial 5 inches versions, each with a top-mounted viewing window, tactile click feedback, and a silicone grip ring for improved control. PTFE-infused lubrication and upgraded bearings ensure smooth motion. Easily attachable as a necklace or zipper pull, it's perfect for EDC enthusiasts and professionals alike. MakerPi Tivise. The MakerPi Tivise is a high-end, adaptive vise. It features a 3-layer fractal design that adjusts to irregular shapes, making it ideal for diverse clamping tasks. Users can choose from 4 jaw materials: titanium/steel, brass, nylon, and silicone, based on hardness and surface sensitivity. Key features include a lockable first layer, dual bubble levels for precision, and measurement markings on the rods. Optional accessories like a desktop mount and magnifying glass enhance usability. With its adaptability and smart design, the Tivise simplifies complex clamping jobs with efficiency and accuracy. Mospace Sprayer. The Mospace Sprayer, priced at $69, is a cordless high-performance spray tool built for creators seeking flawless, streak-free results. It features adjustable pressure settings for both detailed and large-scale projects, a clog-resistant nozzle, and quick-release color change for seamless transitions. Its lightweight design and long battery life make it perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Integrated LED lighting enhances visibility in low light, while smooth, even coverage ensures a professional finish every time. Ideal for painting walls, detailing 3D prints, and more, the Mospace Sprayer delivers precision, power, and portability. ANGLEPRO. The ANGLEPRO, priced at $69.98, is a hidden deck fastening tool engineered for fast, accurate, and clean deck installations. It features adjustable gapping 0.12 to 0.3 inches and width settings 3.35 to 5.9 inches to accommodate various board sizes. Precision guides ensure consistent fastener placement, minimizing board splitting and ensuring a sleek, screw-free surface. Its reinforced handle boosts durability, ideal for heavy-duty use. The ANGLEPRO is optimized for use with GRK Deck Elite hidden deck fastening screws. Compatible with Trex decking, it delivers a professional finish with ease and efficiency on every project. Untwist Tool. The Untwist Tool, priced at $99.99, is a professional-grade solution for safely and efficiently separating twisted pair wires in Cat 5e, Cat 6, Cat 6a, and Cat 7 cables. Ideal for installations and maintenance, it features an ergonomic handle to reduce hand fatigue and prevent wire damage. Built with durable materials, it suits both novices and pros. The battery-powered Untwist Tool Pro handles over 2,400 twists per charge, offering enhanced speed and convenience. Updated versions include redesigned blades, coupling boots, and launch ramps, perfect for faster, safer cable prep. An essential tool for any network technician or installer. Blue Spruce Chisel Plane. The Blue Spruce Chisel Plane, priced at $99.99, is a precision woodworking tool designed for fine, detail-oriented tasks like trimming joints and cleaning up glue lines. Crafted with high-quality materials, it features a flat sole and an ultra-sharp blade aligned with the sole for controlled paring and shaving. Its solid construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the comfortable handle provides excellent grip and stability. Ideal for professional woodworkers and hobbyists alike, this chisel plane offers a perfect balance of performance and elegance in a compact form. A must-have for any fine woodworking toolkit. Milwaukee Chainsaw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Chainsaw, priced at $328.99, delivers impressive power and durability with its power state brushless motor, offering performance equivalent to a 40 cubic centimeter gas engine. Designed for professionals, it features an automatic oiler, dual stud bar retention, and a variable speed trigger for precision. The RedLink Plus intelligence ensures overload protection and optimal performance. Compatible with the M18 battery system, it runs efficiently with the Red Lithium High Output HD 12.0 battery, offering 50% more power and cooler operation. Available in 12-inch top handle and 16-inch rear handle versions for various cutting needs. BIHUI Floor and Tile Repairing Kit. The BIHUI Floor and Tile Repairing Kit is a versatile solution for fixing cracks, chips, and scratches on ceramic, porcelain, stone, and concrete surfaces. It includes 16 wax sticks in popular colors, a hot melt wax applicator, cleaning scrapers, a textured scraper, sponge, cloth, and charging cable. The melted wax fills in imperfections, while the included tools smooth and blend the repair for a seamless finish. Ideal for DIYers, the kit offers an easy and cost-effective way to achieve professional results on floors and countertops without needing to replace damaged tiles. SUMAKE Stubby Impact Wrench. The SUMAKE Stubby Impact Wrench, such as the ST-C5451 and ST-IW1040, is engineered for high power and compact versatility. Featuring a twin hammer mechanism, It delivers torque up to 1,355 Newton meters, with speeds reaching 10,000 revolutions per minute. Its lightweight composite body and ergonomic grip reduce fatigue, while the stubby design fits tight spaces like engine bays. A 360-degree air inlet prevents hose tangling, and features like a high-low torque switch and push-button forward-reverse enhance control. Ideal for automotive and industrial use, this air tool balances strength, precision, and portability for demanding tasks. NS32, the KBT 47546 and NNS32 cable shears are high-performance tools designed for cutting aluminum and copper cables up to 32 mm in diameter. Featuring a strong steel blade, ratchet mechanism, and protective handle covers, these shears offer reliable performance and user comfort. They are capable of handling tape-armored cables and have a compact 250 mm length with a net weight of just 0.6 kilograms. Known for their durability, wear resistance, and cutting efficiency, the NS32 shears are ideal for both professional electricians and home users seeking precision and ease in cable cutting tasks. Trunking shears. The trunking shears, also known as miter shears, are precision tools ideal for angular cuts in PVC, aluminum, rubber, and metal roofing. With adjustable cutting angles from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, they are perfect for molding, trimming, and crafting clean joints. Features include SK5 steel blades for durability, ergonomic rubberized handles, and clear angle markings for accuracy. Some models offer added benefits like replaceable blades, compact foldable design, hydraulic shock absorbers, and LED lights for dim workspaces, making them versatile and reliable tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.